All right, good morning. So we're off to town. I'm in a bit of a rush because I heard that there's a gas station with a very short line. So let's get out there. Well, I'm at about a half tank right now. But if there is a way to get some gas, even if it's just a half tank and it's not a long line, definitely gonna do that. Probably the shortest line I've seen in the last 2 weeks. Maybe that's a good sign. Maybe gas shortage is gone, or everybody's already stocked up enough, or just for some reason nobody heard that this place was open. It's a good sign. All set, ready to go. Oh, that was a wet ride, but we made it. I'm at the coffee shop. I'm at Passiflora. It's downtown. I'm kind of glad I got to fill up. It's always sort of a peace of mind. But it has been raining almost every day this week, at least for even more than a week, which is probably pretty tough for those people that don't have roofs and don't have shelters. So it's just another thing to be thankful for. That even though things are a little bit hard, I have to come here to drive into the city to, charge my phone or whatever. We have it really good. But why don't I throw in a clip driving here? I turned on my little shoulder GoPro mount so that way you could see me driving through the city. I think some people like that. There's still some long lines for ATMs, but yeah, just the traffic's really hard, especially when it's like busy rush hour. There's no lights. Everyone's sort of just trying to get around. Yeah, have a look. Check it out. Wi-Fi. There's Wi-Fi. All right, good little pit stop. Was here about 3 hours, had a couple coffees, got a bunch of things charged. I've worked on a few things for work. Why don't we head to the bridge? Hopefully it's not gonna be rainy or too windy. We'll try to fly the drone. Okay, see you there. Hey, check it out. New poles going in. Nice. All right, so we made it to what we call the short bridge. I don't know if there's a proper name for it. It goes right from downtown to the plaza of Tagbilaran over to Dawis. Traffic is crazy today, and I'm just realizing, well, I kind of realized it before and forgot, it's New Year's Eve. Of course it's so busy. So why don't we do a quick little flight? It looks like we have just a bit of break. We have finally a little bit of sunshine. Let's fly the drone. Let's check out what's happened around here. This is day 15 after the typhoon, so it's been a couple weeks. Things have cleared up a bit, but let's go for a flight. See how it looks.
my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games.
Hi.
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm night. We'll look the fireball.
Tonight?
Yes. Yeah. You want? Yeah.
Where?
In the maybe it's a farm. In the farm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cute kids. Happy New Year. All right, I'm back at the coffee shop already. Paolo's here. Let's go have one more. Happy. All right, let's try that again. So I think I'm going to head home. Need to make a stop, pick up some chicken, pick up some oranges. We're back on the road.
Night 10, 5180.
I go. All right, that's better. Back at home, not so windy. Basically, I had to come home because it started raining and I couldn't stop off at the beach like I was hoping to. But I just wanted to end the video here with a little chat about New Year's resolutions and all that sort of thing. I'm not really a resolutions guy or making specific goals like I want to go to the gym X amount of times. It doesn't necessarily always work out that way, and a few months later I never really remember. But this year, two things I kind of just want to focus on for the year. One is going to be health, just making better choices when it comes to eating, exercising more, that sort of stuff. I don't really have anything specific. I think I was doing a lot better than when I started the year. I just want to keep that going, make sure that I keep thinking about health. And the other thing is just get involved a little bit more with the community, especially with volunteering and doing things with the typhoon relief. I don't want to end up in a month from now stop doing a lot of stuff because it feels like around me has gotten better. There's going to be a lot of people that need a lot of help all throughout the year, so I want to make sure that at least every week that I'm going out to do at least one thing, you know, especially when it gets later into the year when we start to forget about it. So those are my things: health and getting involved with the community. Let me know what things you want to be focusing on for this New Year's, for 2022. 2021, it sort of ended off a little bit weird here in Bohol, but hopefully we make 2022 all the much better, and we grow and learn from all the things that we did in 2021 and before. So thank you very much. I hope you have an awesome year. I hope you had an awesome year. See you next time. Bye.